Is RCS Chat not working in Google Messages? Whether your chats won't send, your status is stuck on connecting, or RCS features have disappeared, this tutorial will walk you through several proven fixes to get everything working again. RCS requires an active internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data, then verify that your connection is stable before testing RCS again. Open Google Messages, tap your profile picture, then go to Messages Settings and select RCS Chats. Confirm that RCS is turned on and check the connection status shown on the screen. If your status says setting up or verifying your number, give the process some time to finish. In many cases, verification completes automatically once your phone has a stable internet connection and mobile service. Older app versions can sometimes prevent RCS from working correctly. So open the Google Play Store and install any available updates for Google Messages and carrier services if your device uses it. After updating, restart your Android phone. A simple restart often refreshes background services and allows RCS to reconnect properly. If RCS still isn't working, return to the RCS Chat settings, turn the feature off, wait a few moments, then turn it back on. This refreshes the connection and often resolves temporary activation problems, and that's how to fix Google Messages RCS when it's not working. In most cases, checking your connection, updating your apps, and refreshing your RCS settings will solve the issue. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful technology guides, and thanks for watching.